How to clean your washing machine naturally. Apex Fresh Cleaning. Keeping your washing machine clean is essential for its performance, especially in Brooklyn, New York, where water quality can vary. Here's how to clean your washing machine using natural ingredients. 1. Run a hot cycle with vinegar. Pour 2 cups of white vinegar into the detergent compartment and run a full cycle on the hottest setting. This helps remove soap scum and bacteria. 2. Scrub the drum with baking soda. Mix 1/4 cup of baking soda with water to form a paste. Scrub the drum and interior to tackle any grime or odors. 3. Clean the rubber seals. Use a damp cloth with a bit of vinegar to wipe the rubber door seals, removing mold and buildup. 4. Rinse with water. Run an empty rinse cycle to remove any leftover residue. 5. Leave the door open. Let your washer air dry by leaving the door open between uses. Your Brooklyn washing machine will be naturally fresh and ready for action.